Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize OpenVPN access with certificate-based authentication, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To authorize OpenVPN access with certificate-based authentication, you need to follow these detailed steps. Begin by setting up your OpenVPN server. Install OpenVPN on your server, using your operating system's package manager. Next, generate the necessary encryption keys and certificates. Use the EasyRSA tool to create a public key infrastructure, or PKI. Initialize the EasyRSA environment with the command exersa init PKI. Build the certificate authority by running exersa build CA. Generate a server certificate and key using exersa genreq server nopass. Sign the server certificate with the command exersa signreq server. Now, generate client certificates and keys. For each client, run exersa genreq client_name nopass. Sign each client certificate using exersa signreq client_name. Once all certificates are signed, organize them in a structured manner for easy access. Copy the server certificate and key to the OpenVPN server config directory. Place the client certificates and keys into the client's configuration folder. Next, configure your OpenVPN server settings. Edit the server configuration file, usually located at /etc/openvpn/server.conf. Specify the paths to the server's certificate and key files. Enable the use of a certificate authority by pointing to the CA certificate. Set the client config dir option for managing client configurations. Configure the network settings including IP ranges and DNS options for clients. Start the OpenVPN server with the command system to start OpenVPN server. Verify that the server is running and check logs for any errors with journal to you OpenVPN server. On the client side, download the OpenVPN client application if not already installed. Create a new configuration file for the client in the OpenVPN directory. In this file, specify the client's certificate and key paths. Also, include the CA certificate path to ensure proper verification. Set the remote server address and port for the connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.